I have packaged 15 years of my Cognos Analytics Jedi skills into an online course for you to learn in 3 months. Hi, my name is Kwame Ewuku. I'm the founder of Coglytics and also the founder of the Coglytics Cognos Analytics School. Back in 2017, I created a YouTube video titled Tips and Tricks by the Cognos Jedi. And I was blown away by all the questions I received from people from all over the world. I realized that a lot of people needed help with Cognos Analytics. Most of their questions were rather basic, but I noticed that for me to be able to help them, they needed to know how to work with filters, queries, prompts, repeaters, conditional blocks, style variables, joins and unions, page breaks, page sets, master detail relationships, list reports, functions, crosstabs, chart properties. So I decided to package all of these skills and tips and techniques into this online course. Now, because the course is online, you can access it via your phone, your tablet, or your laptop, and you can immediately apply what you learn at work. So case in point, if you enroll in my course, you can start building reports and dashboards for your clients immediately. So head over to courses.coglytics.com and sign up for the free trial where you get to review the course syllabus, because I really want you to see what you are going to be learning before you enroll.